Okay, number 27, I have a couple things going on here. First, I saw this inscribed angle right here. Opens up to a 100-degree arc, so I know this has to be 50. Now, the other thing, a couple ways to look at this, but the other thing I noticed is I have parallel lines. I know parallel lines cut congruent arcs, so if this is 100, this has to be 100 as well. So I know y is 100, which makes then x is that inscribed angle, it has to be 50. All right, now I could have also gotten that because these two angles here are alternate interiors. All right, so that being said, now I need to solve for z. Okay, so there's 360 degrees all the way around. If I subtract 290, which I already know, that should give me 70 degrees for z. So x is 50, y was 100, and z should be 70.